Welcome to the incredible Hoh Rainforest on Washington State's Olympic Peninsula. The Hoh Rainforest is on the west side of Olympic National Park, east of Highway 101, at the end of Upper Hoh Road. It's about an hour from Forks and about 2 hours from Port Angeles. Upper Hoh Road follows the Hoh River, which flows from Mount Olympus towards the Pacific Ocean. There is one way in and one way out. Check ahead of time to make sure the road's open. The area's annual average rainfall is close to 12 feet, which means green, lush, ferns, and moss, and sometimes the road gets flooded. And it is incredible. There is a campground within this section of the national park. However, it is booked out months ahead of time. I believe there are some first-come, first-served sites, but to know we had a site and also to want power because, hey, all of those trees means our solar just wouldn't be getting a good charge. We opted to stay at the Hard Rain Cafe and Campground about 12 miles away. Water and power and awesome food. I do have a video on the Hard Rain Cafe, which I'll put a link to at the end of this video. A short stop at the visitor center, and then what we came for, the trails. There are 3 main trails, 2 loop trails, the Spruce Nature Trail at 1.2 miles, which leads you through the rainforest along the Hoh River, and a sweet little crystal clear creek. The very popular Hall of Mosses Trail at a little over 3/4 of a mile. It is aptly named moss, ferns, and this clear, mossy creek. The Hoh River Trail is an out-and-back trail which ends at 18.5 miles in. Of course, doing a portion of the trail is always an option. There is a decent-sized parking lot at the visitor center and trailheads. It is highly suggested to arrive early in the day, as this is a very popular spot within the national park. The Hoh Rainforest was definitely a highlight on our 2 visits to the Olympic Peninsula. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave us a comment so we know you're here. As always, thanks for watching, and for more Washington, here's a link to our playlist.